Did you know you can create your own white-labeled mobile app for your courses with no code whatsoever? Hey, it's Auret here from Essetino Media, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you have the ability to create a mobile app using Learnworlds. I've designed and developed many course websites for my clients using the Learnworlds learning management platform. And I often get questions around, hey, I hear they offer this ability to create an app. How does that work? Can you tell me more about that? So I decided to create this video for you. With a mobile app, you have the ability to create on-the-go learning experiences for your students, but also it's a really smart way to increase engagement for your courses. So if you're someone who's creating courses, particularly for lunch and learns, maybe live classes, you know your students are typically on the go, maybe they're watching from their commute or lunch breaks, then having this mobile app will give them the ability to learn and engage with your courses from wherever they are at. You also have the ability to create in-app purchases, so you can upsell other courses to your students. But here's the cool thing. You can create certain automations like enabling push notifications, so they'll get a notification on their phone that invites them to come back and engage with the course that they are part of. So you can set certain things like if they haven't opened the app in, let's say, 1 week, then you can enable a notification to invite them back and engage with the course. There's different triggers that you can set. Or if they've reached halfway through the course, you may want to send them a notification saying you're halfway there, keep going, or maybe prompt them to provide feedback on your course and how things are going. So I wanted to quickly start with why and the different use cases of why this mobile app could be helpful for you. But let's now dive into what does it look like creating this app? How easy is it? So as you can see here on the Learnworlds mobile app page, they boast about the fact that it's an easy app builder, no code required. It says get ready to launch in 60 minutes. So how valid is this actually? I will say that the builder is pretty easy to use. Like you see here in front of you, it's a drag and drop. So you can drag certain elements to create the different screens within your app, no code required. But I will say it will take you a little bit more than 60 minutes, especially if you are really being thoughtful about what to put in your app. The other cool thing here too is that this app is completely branded and customized to you. So you can really have this app be part of your entire brand experience because not many companies can say, that they have their own custom app. It takes so much money, so much resources to create and develop an app. But with this, you're able to do it on your own, and it's white labeled, meaning when it shows up on your phone, that icon is completely branded to you. It's not Learnworlds logo on there. And in the back end of Learnworlds, this is what it looks like. It will basically pull from all of the branding that you already have on your school, and will use the same colors and pull your courses into it. And there's two things that you can do. There's the editing phase. So this is where you actually start to build your mobile app, and you can build out the different screens. So I'll show you here as it loads. You can create these different screens off to the side, one showing all of your courses, one showing the performance or progress for the particular student who's looking within their app. There's a community aspect to it where they can engage with other students. You can also create what's called an onboarding, a set of onboarding screens. So what this means is when you download any app, you might have noticed certain screens showing you what's next and what are the steps people can take to use the app, how to use the app, and maybe telling a little bit about the app's features. So that's something that you can also incorporate if you like. But you see here, it is very much a drag and drop. Like if I go here, I can easily just click on anything to edit the text. I can swap out, well, this is a course card. So it actually is pulling from your catalog of courses. But, if I wanted to change the color of anything or the layout, I can do that all here in the builder. Now, the other thing that once you've built out your entire app, the next thing you're going to do is test it. So I'm just going to go back here, and in the test screen, this is where you want to make sure all of these things are checked off before you actually go to test it. It actually won't create a test app until you have all of these things completed. And then once you do, you'll be able to download a demo of your app and then actually start setting it up to publish the app itself and to get it in the App Store of iPhone or Google Play. So that's a little bit about how it works. Now comes down to the money, right? How much does it cost? What does that look like? You need to have a Learnworlds plan. You need to have the actual platform itself before being able to use the app. So you can't just get the app on its own, but you can try it for free, as I showed you here on this at the very top, and I'll include a link to this page, by the way, in the description below so that you can get started for free and try it out, see how you like it. And it is a 30-day free trial. So what happens after the 30 days is you will need to purchase this Learning Center, which is one of their top plans in Learnworlds, but Learning Center plus the mobile app. And this is what will allow you to have the platform itself. You can build out your membership site in Learnworlds with all of your courses. You can even build out full sites like with a homepage, about page, all this kind of stuff, which is what I do for a lot of my clients. But you also will have the ability to build out this mobile app. Once again, I'll include a few resource links for you in the description below. And if you need help with building out your site, design, development, copywriting, all that good stuff, or even the mobile app, I'd be happy to help, and I've included my email address in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.